is really for those of you that are looking for a nice tranquil beach location, peace and quiet, and just literally want to be alone, because there was really no people in the swimming pool over there. Wow, fabulous. Just had to climb up onto the platform. There's a big swimming pool here. This might be an area of beach that you want to consider. All the fishing boats and things as well here. You can have areas under the tree as well. Bali, I'm never coming home. There's an inside seating area there as well. Happy hours, buy one get one free on cocktails, 4 till 7. Busy here at Lutu, quite a few customers there. There's a beer bucket. Birdhouse. Quite busy inside here. There's a beautiful big swimming pool in the back. Turn around to this first of all. Segara, the seaside bar and restaurant. Actually. Good morning from Bali, Indonesia. So it's just past 9 AM. I'm here in the Sanur area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a beach walking tour from the Sindhu Beach Marino restaurant through to the Meru Hotel. So this video is going to be of particular interest for those of you that are looking to find a peaceful, tranquil spot here on the beach in Sanur. I'm going to be starting at Sindhu Beach area. That's going to be a bit lively and a bit quite a few people in this area, and then I'm going to gradually make my way along the back of the track that runs along the back of the beach, taking in all of the restaurants and all of the activity in this area. And I'm going to arrive at Segara Beach area, where the Meru Hotel, where I'm going to be finishing today's video is, and that's going to lead you to the one of the most tranquil beach spots here in Sanur. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a morning beach stroll here in Sanur. Okay, so this is the start point for today's video, the Marino Benos restaurant here. We also have the Sindhu Beach market as well, just in the back there. Some of them are not really open yet because it's still early in the morning. So here's the Marino, nice inside seating area there. Also has a beautiful outside seating area as well. It's quite busy with quite a few people in there. Let's look at the food. It's the breakfast menu. Happy hours, buy one get one free on cocktails, 4 till 7. It's all here at Marino. We'll just take you and show you the name from this side. So just walking along here, we have a little shop, wooden shop, selling sandals and hats and things. There's a beach location here. Lots of tourists and people here. Here's the Manis seaside Sanur. Very, very nice. Has an inside seating area as well there. Probably everyone usually sits outside though. It's a beautiful view overlooking the ocean. Nice collection of tables and chairs in there. Western tourists over there to the side. Next we have Seoul on the beach. I love this place on the beach, very good, serves very good food, this place. One of the best spots for your picture perfect moment. Love Bali, I'm never coming home. There's an inside seating area there as well. A few customers inside there. In fact, it's very busy inside. Seoul on the beach. Just take you and show you the Seoul on the beach outside seating area. Some tourists again over there. Please wait to be seated. Just coming up on the left here is going to be, well, there's a spa first of all on the left in the back here. Just a small spa there. Have Katrina massage here on the beach as well. Canoes and things for rent there, there's the prices. Customer having the massage there just on the beach. I think it's usually 100 and 100,000 for 1 hour. Just on the left and right here we have the inner Sindhu. We'll show you the actual seating area on the beach first. So here's the seating area on the beach. Here's the inner Sindhu restaurant area. Hello. A few Western tourists in there, I see. I'm just cutting through the back here and walking through the garden. So we have Western tourists sat on the beach here as well. A little bar area at the back there. Little convenience store there, City Mart I think that is. And then just now we have a collection of warungs here on the beach at the Sindhu Beach area. All along the back there, serving local food.
No, 5 minutes. Yeah, okay, one. Yeah. Keep way.
Some coconuts also here. Seating areas. This is Amphibia. This is usually the most popular one, particularly of an evening. This sells a lot of fresh seafood. It's normally in the fridges there or the freezers at the front. Just here on the left we have the Turtle Conservation Centre. Still doesn't look as though it's open yet, the Turtle Conservation Centre. Just go in there, there's many turtles in the tanks. Just make a donation, small donation. You can view the turtles. There's one turtle we can see outside here. Here's your Sindhu Beach location. A little promenade going out into the ocean there. There's your beach area. Everyone's sat under the trees in the shade. So now we're coming up to the Sindhu Beach sign area. I'll just take you through and show you. So this is the big parking area here. We have some local market stores at the back here. This is Jalan Pantai Sindhu. Quite a few accommodations on that street. Some bars and warungs and restaurants and things also. So this is the area. There's the Pantai Sindhu sign. So we're just coming through the gap here now, back onto the pathway. We have some bicycle rental. Usually a bit expensive, more expensive the bicycle rental on the beach than from on the main streets in Sanur. This is a place called Lutu's Cafe. You can see it's quite busy here at Lutu's, quite a few customers there. Also Ayu Spa in the back there, Lutu's Cafe's on that side. Also a little seating here at Lutu's here as well. Some tourists inside here. Some nice cakes and things as well at Lutu's. You have Warung Kareta here. That's like the little kitchen counter area. Warung Kareta. Turtle there. Big menu there. And I have a seating area out on the beach here overlooking the ocean. Just continue walking. There's a little convenience store there. We're on tier, selling drinks, ice cream and things. Varuna Beach Massage. Some Next we have Tootsie. So Tootsie Bar and Restaurant, simply the best. Happy hour cocktails. There's the inside seating area. We're open for breakfast. A seating area here on the beach also. A collection of tables and chairs. There's your beer bucket. All your coffees there. Let's continue walking. So this is a place called, it's spelt B-Y-R-D House, but it's Birdhouse. Nice place. Have bicycle rental here, KTI sunbed, massage, booking tour service also. There's your booking tour service there. Sunbeds are down there. And this is the Birdhouse. So they have an inside coffee shop there. This is the name here. Just take you around and show you up inside. So we have an outside seating area outside the coffee shop there. And then here's the inside seating area of Birdhouse. Quite busy inside here. Just take you through to the back. There's a big swimming pool as well in the back that's connected with the accommodation. Lots of people having breakfast here. There's a beautiful big swimming pool in the back. So we're just coming out of the Birdhouse there. They also have a outside seating area as well here. Beautiful seating area here as well, overlooking the ocean just off the beach. Very, very beautiful, impressive structure this. Sure what language that is, whether that's German or what. Something anyway, some kind of entertainment. We'll just take you to the front here and show you the beach location outside the Birdhouse. So some sun lounges here. People sat relaxing here. A little bit of seaweed on the beach, it washes up every day, they do clean it. Okay, so there's another angle on the Birdhouse. Absolutely fabulous looking place that. We continue on now, this is going to be the Segara Beach area. Some massage and ladies and things here also. Sunbed long chair for rent and only 50,000. A little tourist goods shop here at the back of the beach. Community restaurant. There's little seating areas in the shade there. A little seating area here. Some inside seating areas also. A beautiful outside seating area here, we'll show you in a moment. I just want to turn around to this first of all. Segara, the seaside bar and restaurant. Big lobster. So there's a beautiful area over there. We'll take you closer for a closer view on that in a minute. We have this seating area out here. Take you to the one in the back now. Now we just go over the grass. Very nice and elegant, this one, in comparison to the one on the beach. Some nice seating areas here. Big collection of tables and chairs all through there. Okay, just coming out of a little outside seating area there now. Just take you in and show you here. There's some advertisements for some entertainments. Looks like the Beatles. Oh, many different artists actually. Many different. There's another angle on a seating area. Let's walk around here. So we have some bicycles here again for rent. It's along the front. Let's take you and show you the beach location. So it's a little bit more of a quiet beach location at this end. A little bit busy where we started, the Pantai Sindhu sign. Here just calm, relaxing. Nobody really seems to be on the beach here, just a couple sat under the tree there. Okay, so just from a beach location there, we have the street leading up there, and that's leads towards the bypass Nuban Ray and down towards Segara Beach. There's the Pantai Segara sign. Lots of bicycle rental here on the beach. Just here we have a big collection of local food warungs. Selling all traditional Indonesian foods. I think they also serve Western foods as well. All of your drinks there. They have Western foods as well. Club sandwich, French fries, omelette, sausage. Collection of all of the seating inside there. Warung Esa, Warung Nengga, Warung Kak Apple, Papa Coffee. Some seating areas out here on the beach also. Kamar Mandi toilet. I think those are toilets that you have to pay for there. We'll just keep walking along the beach. So it looks in the back there, we have like a little bit of an abandoned hotel or resort or something. There's a swimming pool there that's empty. Just a quiet section of Sanur Beach, this area. So just walking along the pathway here, you have some tourists there using the bicycles. I'm going to just cut onto the beach a little bit here just so we can show you what the beach looks like in this area. Nobody really ventures to this area so much. If you're looking for quiet, relaxing, peace, this might be an area of beach that you want to consider. All the fishing boats and things as well here. You can have areas under the tree as well if you want to sit in the shade. Okay, so I'm just coming to an area here now. There's a tour booking office just in the back there. You can organise all of your boat trips and things to Lembong and Nusa Penida, Gili, Lombok. There's all the time schedules there. This guy here is a healer. If you have any problems or anything, come and see this guy. We also have massage as well on the beach here. Here's the details if you want to see the healer there. It's this guy here. I've featured him before in videos. You also have some massage as well here. Just continue walking along the path. Now we're coming to the Meru here. It's on the left. Have a shower on the beach there. So just up in the back here we have a big swimming pool. Absolutely huge swimming pool there. Wow. Just had to climb up onto the platform. There's a big swimming pool here. Okay, so that was the Meru swimming pool. I wasn't 100% sure, I just thought it was. I think they have another section up here also, the Meru, with another big swimming pool. It's a very nice hotel. A security guard there. Just a really nice, quiet, relaxing area, this. There's another big part of the Meru structure. I'm not sure whether this is a 4 or 5-star hotel, but it looks very grand and elegant. All the beautiful gardens out the front here. Nice blossom trees also. We'll just take you and show you the second swimming pool, and then we'll take you and show you the beach location. See, there's many tourists or expats here as well. I'm just going to cut in here now and lead towards the swimming pool. So there's the impressive Meru Hotel there in the back. It's watering all of the gardens. And there's a beautiful big swimming pool here at the Meru. Little sun lounges around the side. People in the swimming pool over there. Wow, fabulous. Some sun lounges along the back here, wooden decking. It's really, really nice. So just coming out of the Meru now, we'll just show you the beach location. It's a really beautiful, quiet, peaceful beach location. Also can sit in the shade under the trees here. So beautiful. Nice ocean. Clean white sand. And then they also have a collection of sun lounges just at the back of the beach here. All under the shade of the trees. Nice. Okay, so that concludes today's video, my morning stroll along a section of the beach here in Sanur. So as you've seen with the camera in today's video, you've got a nice collection of beachside restaurants here. You've also got some massage options on the beach here. You had the Sindhu Beach market also, bicycle rental, and then right at the end of the video there we had the very impressive looking Meru Hotel. So this section of beach that I featured in today's video, particularly once you get past the Sindhu Beach area and come into the Segara Beach area and walking all the way through to the Meru, is really for those of you that are looking for a nice tranquil beach location, peace and quiet, and just literally want to be alone, because there was really nobody on the beach once we walked past the Sindhu Beach area. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. Hope some of you find this video useful, particularly if you're staying in the Sanur area of Bali for your holiday, and I shall say bye for now.